Are you asking yourself, what is the meaning of life? And why are you doing what you are doing? Wonderful. Then you are meant to be here. Let's start right away. There are things in life that you attract again and again. It's the same street you're driving, your favorite cafés you are going to, your friends, and your fashion style. From time to time, you change something. You drive another street, but somehow it is still the same. One habit after the other. Wonderful. All these things are giving you security, giving you confidence, because you know exactly which way you can go to drink your favorite drink with your friends in your favorite coffee. And yet, it's the same over and over again. Boring. There is more to discover. How about if you walk the other way today? Break through your usual cycle in your comfort zone. What are you waiting for? This video is over. Now,